Hi guys, just wanted to update you today. Want to cut right to the chase. Why Python is like the coolest coding language. I'm going to take you guys through a little tutorial, not even a tutorial, just showing what it can do. Why am I a big fan of Python now and the scripting and whatever not. It is super elegant, super easy. This is coming from a veteran in C sharp. There's a lot of things that we used to do to look up files, and then PowerShell came out, and then, we had MS-DOS, we make some shell scripts and things like that. But, when traversing through files, extracting files, doing some data entry, doing some file modifications, parsing files, oh my God, it was just amazing. I was able to get it done in about 15 maybe 18 lines of code, what in C sharp it would have taken me at least 100, right? Just because it has faster, it's just more elegant. I mean, there's tuples in there. When you declare something, you don't gotta also when you do the if statements, you don't have curly braces, anything of the sort. You just type and you write, and when you do a for each, it's for this in this done. Like, such minimal code. You're not putting much line endings and stuff like that. Just a really nice flavor. Anyways, that's enough talking, because these tutorials always get into a lot of talking, and I don't really want to do that. Anyways, going to take you through a little tutorial. But the thing to keep in mind is I just wanted to show an example, show a little bit of history behind it. Why are we doing this? Why was it so cool? It's very basic, very intro, just doing some file traversing, but it's going to show the power of Python and what it can do and what it can't do, right? Or what it can do, okay? I haven't hit many troubles right now in it, and there was a real nice diff comparison tool, which I didn't have to access a bubble sort. There's just so many built-in things that make it so great. Anyways, take care, and gonna go into the video now, okay? The tutorial. Take care, bye.